Me glad to somebody say, cause a long time I want to say it. Let me get it off of my chest. Me blame you now. Some of the parents, me blame you now. Cause I found no lack of days they can lazy in a bumbuckler to no want to spend time with the youth. Oh no one. If you don't see a youth come in with that 120 pound trainers, what you say? Oh, that's nice. No, what a blood clot you get it from. Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, that song I dropped a week ago, man. No, how me just see it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry, Dave. I'm sorry, Jay. Big up my G Stinx. Background. That is what we're reacting to today. We're reacting to it. So, we're not pause as much. So, we're going to just jump straight tonight and see what the G has said. You know the G just got them bars. Them just keep spitting like a pregnant woman. The bars just spit lyrics like a pregnant woman and spit pan ground. I saw the bars spit lyrics. Let's go, my G. Bumba clot. Let's go. Drink some water. Uh-huh.
Smell stinks. Flushing, bang, anywhere, always, can be seen always.
Yeah, Dre, saves, let me up in the headphones. Baghdad, SMS, Block RA, Block 5 gender. Real topper, that's my brother. Mash
go!
My background, CJ skate off, I ain't trying to get a pat down. Stop it. So let me bring the whap round.
Oh, yeah. This is fucking rap. This is rap. I appreciate the old school style of rapping. I appreciate that. Big up the young kids them who say the trap and this and that, but this is my kind of rap. This is my kind of rap, my music. Yeah. Yeah, the man say, yo, when them say jerks, they don't know. When them say police, zit! Take offense to that speed like lightning, siren, frightening. Bumba clot.
Round, CJ skate off, I ain't trying to get a pat down.
Straight. Yeah, you hear him say? When him say police, him skate off, boom. Him not trying to get a search, him not trying to get a pat down. Furthermore, me no want a man to touch me now. Not touch me in the police. Me have nothing fear in the brother.
So let me bring the whap round, squeeze off till I hear the sirens in the background. Arse up, hat down. I put it on rapid like I'm letting off a mat round.
Yeah, rapid it up.
You already know I crash clowns. Don't be silly, pair Achilles man's rap round. But let me bring the whap round, squeeze off till I hear the sirens in the background. Arse up, hat down.
Yeah.
I put it on rapid like I'm letting off a mat round. You already know I crash clowns. Don't be silly, pair Achilles man's rap round.
Trouble. I like the fact that he is taking a step back. He must show you him journey where he forward from. So he started off at 2003, then at 2005. He must show you, say, yo, listen, I'm not just coming up. So look, on the boy, we're out there, we're going to come about show, pay on the homage to the J. Pay the homage to Bumba Clot me. That's what the boss say. You see me? Yeah.
Shoot, I'll put the magazine on it. Bump with it, rock with it, lean on it. Coke turn rock and it fiend on it. Spinners and Glocks, whole teams on it.
That youth are just different. I'm taking a Bumba Clot glasses. Stinx. Them in a trouble now. Them in a Bumba Clot trouble now, my G. Them in a trouble, dog. Yeah, trouble. TROUBL, trouble. No joke.
Homeboy slip got spread it out. Left in drip, yeah, he bled it out.
Homeboy slip got spread it out. Left in drip, yeah, and bled it out. If you slip, you slide. That is the normal saying. But things I say, if you slip, you get spread out. Like a butter pan a bread. Spread out like tapping pan a pizza. Yeah, blood clot, you go dead. Watch it.
Done some shit we can't forget about. Get your whole wig lit at your brethren's house. Me, I just blame the parents. Misguided interference.
The man saying him blame the parents for the... I do too. Me blame some of the parents them for some of them youth are getting in trouble. I got prison. It get involved in a fuckery and some of them are dead. Me blame some of my parents because some of my parents are too busy and do other shit that is not even necessary. Things me blame them to blood clot. Me blame them to my fam. Me glad to somebody say, cause a long time I want to say it. Let me get it off of my chest. Me blame you know. Some of the parents me blame you know. Cause I found no lack of days they can lazy in a bumbuckler to no want to spend time with the youth. Oh no want if you don't see a youth come in with that 120 odd pound trainers. What you say? Oh, that's nice. No, what a blood clot you get it from? Where it come from? Eh? Where you get it from? Which gang you in? At school me I send you with your £5 and £10 pocket money. Oh, you get that? You're 13, you're 14, what the fuck you do with that? I never me buy it, I know your father buy it. Where you Hey.
Then they wanna cry at the wake. I got the plug trying to get it through clearance. Wisdom, expert, experience. Get what, network, I'm serious. Cute face, nice back, I'm curious. Got brain cause they was on a period.
Oh my god. Him get the cause the girl was on her period. Him still have a bust a nut. And she better get down on all fours doing that shit. That's what the boss said, not me. Big up all the ladies then.
Apologies if I'm too explicit. See, I only talk it cause I live it. Had me in the box double digits. Seen a Cody turn into a witness.
I'm seeing a Cody turn into a witness. Them had him in the box doing double digits. Had me in the box double digits. So obviously him spend more than 10 years in the probably 10 or over him spend in the box. I'm not sure how much him spend in the box. In a prison cell, in a prison. So him see a Cody turn witness. Someone of it dead.
Sim besties beef over bitches. Ever seen a pussy yo turn vicious? Never. I'm still with the shooters and killers. Yes. And I don't wanna hear I'm the realest. No. My background, CJ skate off. I ain't tryna get a pat down. But let me bring the whap round. Squeeze off till I hear the sirens in the background. Ass up, hat down. I put it on rapid like I'm letting off a mat round.
When you hear sings Vice, you know that it stinks. Certain artists in the business, when you hear them Vice, you know listen, that is that artist. I could be half asleep, I'm hear a Stinx song and say, you know, I Stinx that. I Stinx, you know, let me check and see. Let me double check. I Stinx, man. Someone tell us I Stinx. Look all I'm tell us I Stinx. Yeah, brother, I Stinx. I Stinx. Look all I'm tell us I Stinx. Stop run me down. No sleep, I sleep. Yeah, run me. That's just me talking to my thoughts. My thoughts talking to me.
You already know I crash clowns. Don't be silly, pair Achilles man's rap round. My background, CJ skate off. I ain't tryna get a pat down. Don't let me bring the whap round. Squeeze off till I hear the sirens in the background. Ass up, hat down. I put it on rapid like I'm letting off a mat round. You already know I crash clowns. Don't be silly, pair Achilles man's rap round. Every day I try to keep humble, but it's techie in the concrete jungle. Let I rumble, rumble. When I pop off.
What, man? Listen to the red play, listen to the double rhymes, them, man. Wait, think I'm gonna just miss the double rhymes, them, son? Come on, man. You don't think you don't miss that double rhymes? Did I miss the double rhymes? A bumble clan. Let's go. Wait. Go back, look more this side.
Don't be silly, pair Achilles man's rap round.
Yeah.
Every day I try to keep humble. But it's techie in the concrete jungle.
Crumble.
Let I rumble. When I pop off the big thing, they crumble. So kick like comfy. Might check 1, 2.
Man, so the thing I kick like a kung fu. Yeah? The thing I kick like a kung fu in a brother. I think a bomber clan joke this. Eh? It a kick like a kung fu. Oh, yo.
I try to keep humble.
Yeah.
But it's techie in the concrete jungle.
Let
I rumble. When I pop off the big thing, they crumble.
Crumble.
Kick like comfy. Might check 1, 2. All the gal I run through. Look at what it's come to. Still trying to build. Catch me in the field. Come and get your veg. Giving out deals. Bought a new steel. Megatron.
Come and get your veg. I'm giving out deals. Come and get your veg. Me not mean lettuce. Me not mean spinach. No, none of them something that me not mean, brother. Come and get your veg. It's the bomb, baby. It's the bomb. Yeah, them thing that I mean.
Catch me in the field. Come and get your veg. Giving out.
Me love a song, yeah.
Bought a new steel. Megatron gun. Extend the nose if you ever want some. Had 2 max. We were so young. It's like heavy metal when I press on that drum. Raised in the slums. Came from the mud. All of them days that I spent with the tugs. Fudge had the 9mm Glock and the snub. H. Boogeyman spoon. The plug.
Ah, the blood clot. Where you find that floor, yeah, man? Stinx, where the fuck you find that flow, ya, bro? No joke, brother. Big man thing, dog. Where you find that flow, ya, brother? Bumbleclad. Listen. Nah, man. Nah, man. Only not trouble in a young artist. Only not trouble, man. No fun, only not trouble, man. So no go and take 15 minutes of fame. From 2003, the man I show you from 2003, man, do this.
If you ever want some, had two max, we were so young. It's like heavy metal when I press on that drum. Raised in the slums, came from the mud. All of them days that I spent with the tugs.
It seems like, alright, to all the rhythm I chop, to all him dip on the rhythm and I chop on the rhythm, brother. Him one of them artists that can't run out of lyrics, dog. Him I do it, and the rhythm done, them have to stop at the rhythm again. And them still catch at the rhythm again. From the drop. Bumbuckler.
Shot the 9 with the Glock and the snub.
Watch out.
H, Boogeyman spoon, the plug.
Yes.
Shrug, Jenna, bikes official.
Yeah.
Tom was the first man I see with a whistle.
Come on.
Tiny, that's 𝐂𝐂𝐓 with a pistol.
brother.
Abdul, hack, rip clean for your tissue.
Hold on.
Mouse, Sykes, Dish, my right hand. Pair wagwans, but we know they don't like, man. It was all rage and the cage and the life, man. Yeah, real brothers, Muslims, me and my gang.
Bumbuckler Stinx. What? Something else a forward, man. What? Well on. You don't done it. Me not move, you don't done it.
Where's your gun?
Where's my gun? No, guns ain't good.
Out of South Central LA, you know. I'm getting out of South Central LA, you know.
Man, so where you gone there?
Come on, you done know it's the boy Wolf, aka Dog, aka Stack a Pound, PMP to the world, still locked down, soon home. You feel me?
Straight.
Free all the brothers. You done know.
Don't know.
Alaikum wa rahmatullah. Man know what time it is. Shout out to my big brother below. You know what I'm saying? The original done. Man know what time it is. Everything out there through games is full of myth. Well, I'm familiar
Good
with
stuff.
that. Not man saying that they're 30, but they're calling touching that as what they need to allow it. Right, it's done. I keep on telling it F1. It's all a myth.
See, I take each day as it comes, and the win, the pros and the cons.
Same rhythm. If it's not the same rhythm, it's similar rhythm. Different song.
Yeah, I was so low on funds, so I had to touch through the ones. Platform for the plug, need box.
Bumbuckler Stinx, man. Stinx a work. Stinx. Brother, where the fuck you find that flow there, dog? Between me and you, Stinx. Don't tell nobody. Where you find that flow there from, brother? Where you find that flow there from, dog? Brother, the rhythm bad, the flow bad, the memories where you bring up in it, but the whole concept of the video bad, the clarity bad. Brother, big up the editor them in the video too. Brother, Bumbuckler, dog. How me just see that video? How me just see it? I don't know how me just see it. Yo, guys, if you don't like the video, if you don't like my video, leave a like on my video. Also, the full video is gonna be in the description of this, like this track. The full video is gonna be in the description without me talking tonight. So go check it out, dog. Click on it. Yo, Stinx body a fuck. Stinx, big up your Bumbuckler, tell me fam. Big up yourself, man.